Good morning everyone. We'll start with class 5th subject social studies. We'll start with chapter 8, that is the Fred zone. So in this video we are going to discuss the climate of the Fred zone, the vegetation of the Fred zone, the wildlife of the Fred zone and life in the Fred zone. So let's get started. Aurora borealis and aurora australis are spectacular display of green, red and purple light which shimmer in the sky. They can only be seen at night in the high latitude of the earth near the Fred zone. The aurora australis can be seen near the Arctic Circle, while aurora borealis can be seen near the Arctic Circle. They are caused when charged particles emitted from the sun collide with the particle in the Earth's atmosphere. These collide result in small bursts of light. The Fred zone are the coldest region of the Earth. These are covered by ice, snow throughout the year. There are two Fred zones. First is the North Fred zone and the second is South Fred zone. The North Fred zone is located between the Arctic Circle and North Pole, while the South Fred zone is located between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. So first we talk about the climate of the Fred zone. The Fred zone experiences cold climate because of their distance from the equator. They receive slanting rays of the sun and remain very cold throughout the year. Precipitation is in the form of snow in water is mostly in a frozen state. The Arctic Circle is covered with thick layer of ice called ice caps. The northern part of the North Fred zone and the southern part of the South Fred zone experiences 6 months of continuous days and 6 months of continuous night time due to the tilt of the Earth's axis. Look at this. In the southern part of the North Fred zone, the summer is very short, which the rest of the year it is winter. Summer temperature may vary from 2 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature may drop to 40 degrees Celsius in the South Fred zone. The continent of Antarctica remains frozen throughout the year. It has no permanent human settlement here. Look at this. 6 months of continuous daytime because slanting rays spread over a large area and low intensity of heat. 6 months continuous night time, vertical rays spread over a small area, intense heat. Slanting rays spread over a wide area. Do you know the North Fred zone include the island of Greenland and the part of Canada, Alaska, Iceland and the Siberia? These areas of the frozen zone have very few people compared to the warmer part of the earth. So look at this. There is a question regarding your home assignment. First one is, what is the latitudinal location of the Fred zone? Second, which areas are included in the North Fred zone? Thank you.